Hey guys, okay, so today I am here in Brooklyn. All right, we in Brooklyn. And I'm here with none other than Suzy. Guys, first of all, she is a celebrity in her own right. Celebrity hair artist, hairstylist, the whole nine, and a beautiful soul. So today she's gonna be styling my hair for my event coming up.
Scorpio season.
Scorpio season.
I'm so excited.
Oh my gosh, should I keep this in for my birthday?
Yeah,
I don't know.
yeah. Oh, thanks for having me.
Yes.
I look forward to seeing this amazing hairstyle.
Because you're doing it.
You know what I'm saying?
But yeah, so if you guys are interested, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed and stay tuned to keep watching.
Also subscribe to my channel too.
Oh,
African Creature.
Please. I'm gonna have her link to her YouTube channel down below, as well as all her socials, Instagram, the whole nine. So make sure to follow Suzy and also come get your hair slayed.
Yeah.
But yeah, all that information down below. All right,
Deuces.
Let's see what you can do. You think you're so damn smooth. You better think this through. So let's see what you can do. I know them all the signs. I'm a grown woman now. I don't like to waste my time, no. So don't try me one more time. Yeah, yeah. I know you're disappointed that I'm counting you out. I want someone devoted, just the real stuff they count. Oh yeah, someone who's devoted to. Oh yeah, make me feel noticed, 'cause I deserve better. I deserve it all. Someone that truly matters. That loves no matter what. So tired of them guys thinking they got me figured out. You think you're good to go, yeah. But guess what? I don't think so, no. I know you're disappointed that I'm counting you out. I want someone devoted, just the real stuff they count. Oh yeah, someone who's devoted to. Oh yeah, make me feel noticed, 'cause I deserve better. I deserve better. I deserve it all. I deserve it all. Someone that truly matters. That loves no matter what. That loves no matter what. Because I deserve better. I deserve it all. I deserve it all. 'Cause I deserve
Girl, you a goddess. God is my witness. No one to contest. Not in your bracket. You know, say you bad like that. You know, say you fine like that. Girl, you a goddess. God is my witness. Girl, you a goddess. God is my witness. No one to contest. Not in your bracket. Yeah. You know, say you bad like that. You know, say you fine like that. Girl, you a goddess. God is my witness. delicious flower. You got that magic, you're the baddest, finest, glowing like the moonlight, yeah. Wanna see you in a maxi dress, baby. Come on over, girl, you know the rest. Got a spillers for your knees right here. We can take it slow, ain't no rush, I'm yours. Pretty lady, that's you. So
Okay, guys, this is my hair. What y'all saying? Lay your head on my pillow. Alrighty, guys. Well, thank you to Susie for slaying my hair.
So fun.
Yes. So if you guys want to book her, all her information will be down below. Make sure you follow her on her YouTube as well as Instagram.
Yes.
Thank you, Susie.
Thank you. Happy birthday.
Oh, thank you. Happy early birthday to you.
Yeah.
Your birthday is first.
Yeah, no, for real.
Scorpio season.
Scorpio.
Whatever the sign is. All right, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.